Assalamualaikum. Berdosalah kalau yang tidak menjawab salamku dan selamat kembali ke channel aku AJT 1907. Kali ini aku akan sambung main game Horror Tale yang ketiga. Aku akan ambil saw dan aku akan cuba dekat pokok ni. Yes. Aku dah agak.
You're completely grounded.
Oh no.
Wow. Sebab sebelum ni apa ni, Tom dia ada kata, what is that?
What the dog doing?
Hello. Yep, Ethan sekarang dah ada power, dah ada kuasa elektro, boleh buat. Hello. Statue with ball.
That's a bit of a weak grip you've got there, Mrs. Statue.
Mrs. Statue. Ada. Hello. Oh, lah. Macam mana nampak aku? Kejap. Oh, ada mesin bau. Wait. Okay, ada ball. Ajap. Aku akan ambil gambar dulu simbol tu dan aku nak explore lagi. Ada apa lagi kat dalam ni? Alright. So kita ada berapa sekarang? 4. So kita perlukan lagi 3.
One step closer to solving the mystery.
You got tajam betul ya mata kau. Aku nak letak dulu item-item untuk Sam. Kita kena hati-hati sebab Ethan boleh masuk dekat dalam rumah kita. Macam mana nak tukar item? Maksud aku nak tukar. Okay. So, kita dah ada moss dan juga bandage. Kita hanya perlukan alcohol bottle, yang mana aku masih belum jumpa dekat mana. Alright, bandage. Okay, so tinggal alcohol bottle. Right, so sekarang kita akan pergi ke circus dan masukkan fuse. Alright, so kita dah sampai dekat sini. Yep.
Thomas, you're a natural born electrician.
Tempat baru.
Hey, it worked! Even a clown got shocked with the mouth open.
What do we have here? Okay, ada collectible.
Wow, that's another one to add to my collection.
Kita ada 7. Sickle?
Sickle? Really? If I find a hammer, I'll have to sing hymns and build a collective farm.
Sickle.
Locked.
Okay, ada tape. Okay, dia panjat atas.
I see! The zipper is jammed. I will have to grease it up.
Aku mengharap please keluar. Bagus. Okay, kita boleh naik. Oh, ada simbol. Aku harap aku tak kena trap dia sebab aku duduk atas trap dia sekarang ni.
Who's the best detective around here? I'm the best detective here.
Sure, Tom. Ouch.
Maybe it's here to knock down that box under the tent dome. Looks like it.
So kita perlukan apa? Oh, tu bola batu tadi. Mungkin kita boleh guna bola batu sebagai peluru. Okay, tu tak ada apa-apa kot. Bye. And boleh.
The way is clear. Looks like I've just opened a path to anyone who wants to go for a walk in the swamp area. Well, it's not exactly a popular hiking trail.
Stool.
I always thought these mushrooms are just for kicking.
Okay, ada cendawan. Nanti mesti Ethan datang sini. Apa lagi? Cepat. What is that? Nothing. Ada pintu kan sebelah sana. Aku akan cuba buka dulu. Ya, betul. Aku ingat. Alright. Dekat sini. Oh, ada collectible.
Well done! I found another one!
Oh.
I wish I
Gasoline
had some
tank.
kind of container to collect the gasoline.
So kita perlu cari kontainer, isi minyak dekat sini. Lepas tu letak minyak tu dekat sewer. Oh, sewer kan aku mati.
Crawling through the vents. I practiced it already. But
Yeah.
it didn't stink this bad in the school. Oh yeah,
Aku nampak dia.
found you.
Hi, can you get me? Hello. Oh. Aku tak sang. Okay, that was my bad. Sorry guys. Aku tak jumpa item lagi kan kat situ. Mungkin valve. Mungkin valve kita boleh guna kat situ. Mungkin, aku pun tak tahu. Valve nampak macam item yang sesuai dekat sewer. Kan sewer kan ada banyak pipe. Valve ni biasa berkaitan dengan pipe. Let's try. Oh, betul.
The cannonball's ready. But now I need gunpowder to fire.
Betul. Kita perlukan dua-dua. Kita perlukan juga gunpowder untuk tembak. So sekarang kita akan pergi ke sewer. Kita akan tengok Raph. Raph, how are you doing there? Aku dah lupa sebenarnya.
Ralph, are you still alive in there?
Woi, you still alive?
Come the rat snapped at. Hurry up.
Don't worry. I'm sure rats don't have such bad taste.
Uh-oh. This is bad. Aku kena guna track tu. Kalau tak aku mati. Aku tak nak mati lagi. Aku tak nak buat kesilapan yang tak cerdik macam episod sebelum ni. Jap. Dah tak ada apa-apa lah kat sini. Valve ni untuk apa? Okey, ada jalan dan ada alcohol bottle. Ada alcohol bottle. Kita jumpa item. Don't worry guys. Hello. Wow, no.
If energy drinks work the same way, I don't like them.
Oh. Oh.
Damn it! So annoying.
Yes. So trap tu kita boleh, dia jadi permanent. Kita boleh letak banyak bukan banyak kali, maksudnya bila kita letak trap tu dekat situ.
That's great. It's too early to try this, but it can be used for making the healing bandage.
Sure, whatever. Okay.
Ash. Hello, Ethan, I'm here. Come here. Sure. Nice and slow. I will be back. Oh, ada simbol kat situ. Hah? Aku dengar Prof. Aku sedang usaha. Okay, sorry. So, Prof aku tak tahu lagi. Tekan ke farm. Kita jumpa semua item untuk Sam.
Here we go. Bandage untuk Sam. Healing bandage.
Sam, hold on. The ambulance is on its way.
Yep. The ambulance or Dr. Tom. Kenapa benda dibuka? Woohoo!
It's like these posters are screaming, "Buy me!" Maybe we should check them out.
Okay, Tom. Hello.
If we don't get treatment soon, I'm going to complain so loudly that the witch will come running to comfort me.
Huh, really, Sam? Here.
Young lady, very soon you will be healthy and will be able to get into trouble with renewed vigor, run away from a killer, kidnapper, or knock him out with a single blow of a shovel.
What a funny guy.
Wow. You just
You're
sit.
patient. Don't disturb the doctor. The operation may not go as planned.
Dear patient, huh?
Well, every patient is important to me, but you especially. Okay, done. Are you feeling better?
Yes, that does feel better. Thank you very much, Dr. Tom.
Okay.
You can get hurt one more time, then I'll fix you up again.
No way. You can simply take care of me without any injuries, wounds, or killers.
Okay.
Okay, I gotta go. There's still so much to do. But I'll definitely be back to see you later, dear patient.
Great, but instead of an x-ray of my leg, bring me photos of those symbols we need to deal with.
The doctor works part-time as a photographer. Oh well, it happens. Don't miss me. I'll be back soon.
Sam Randy. Sounds pretty good.
Sam Randy. Okay. Another character that is useless. Of
Hey,
course.
why don't we take a look at what's on these posters?
No,
They might
no.
be useful.
Shut up, Tom. Shut up. You're being annoying. They might be useful and you're being annoying. Sesuatu ke kita perlu buat dekat layer ni? Oh, ada chain. Kat dalam rumah tu ada chain. So we definitely need something. Steel cable. I have an idea. Let's go to the sewer. Dekatnya so return tadi. Okay, sewer. Aku rasa kan kat sewer kan ada kipas tu kan. Hello, hello. Ethan. Hello.
Bruh.
Not today, thank you. Okay, bolehkah aku guna benda ni? Please, please.
There's no way I'm going there. Unless I want to get sliced up like a
Oh,
potato.
boleh. Ada jalan. Masuk dulu sebab dia tak boleh merangkak. Hello. I'm literally here. Can't you see? Behind your mask? Huh? You blind or something? Okay, so what is this place? Ni tempat apa? Kenapa? Dia boleh masuk ke? Aku rasa dia boleh masuk. Hello. Gua ada jalan ke bawah. Tempat baru lagi. Ada jalan ke atas lagi. Sabar. Mungkin ada simbol kat sini. Ada jalan ke atas lagi. Tak ada tempat sembunyi. Okey. Jom kita naik atas. Okey, tempat sembunyi kat atas. Gunpowder.
Gunpowder in the hands of a child? Sounds like the beginning of a story that ends in a hospital.
Oh.
What's that noise?
Actually aku tak suka pun sembunyi macam ni. Lebih baik aku lari daripada sembunyi. Sebab kalau aku sembunyi aku tak tahu dekat mana.
Running from lightning is not the best idea.
Wow, okay. Don't be too confident, okay. Ethan. Hello. You're not going to find me, right? Go away. Go away.
Could you be hiding?
I'm literally in front of you, stupid. Are you gone? Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, ni ada valve nombor 4. Ada valve nombor 4. Death Park. Yes, aku akan main juga game Death Park. Salah satu game yang aku pernah main dan aku suka.
Have you ever stuck your fingers in a socket? Why not give it a try?
You know. You being so annoying right now.
What's that noise? There's that noise again.
Boleh tak kau jangan?
If energy drinks work the same way, I don't like them.
You know what? Just bawa je lah. Mungkin aku perlu. Cendawan tu aku tak tahu. Kita perlukan cendawan ni dekat mana? Nombor 1. Nombor 2. Ini nombor 4. Nombor 3.
Oh, great. This should work now.
Hello. Woo!
Why don't you just go away? Go away, please. Aku akan tunggu dia keluar daripada kawasan kipas ni. Dia tak boleh kan sini. Oh, wow. Yeah, alright. Bye. Lambatnya. Okay, last. Bang. Now what? Oh, wait, boleh tak? Please, please. Harap kali ni kita tak diganggu lagi. Biar aku fikir. Ada collectible. Boleh tak aku masuk slide? Boleh. Dia tak boleh dapat lah kat sini kan sepatutnya. Oh, ada pintu. Okay, good to know. Right, it's still working. Oh. Okay. aku kena buat warna kuning. Sekejap. Let's try warna kuning. Hai! Lari! Guna. Keep yapping. I don't care. Okay. Oh, ini masih going. Suspicious.
Running from light.
You know what? Jom kita buat meriam tu dulu. Aku tak tahu macam mana nak buat puzzle tu. Aku dah buat hijau. Aku dah buat hijau. Aku tak tahulah, aku tak tahu. Jom kita pergi ke sirkus. Dekat sewa tadi tu. Nah,
Yeah.
now what?
Lieutenant Thomas Randy has fired a successful volley of artillery.
Rust remover?
Rust remover. I wonder where it could be used.
Rust remover. Rust.
I see. The zipper is jammed. I will have to grease it up.
Wait, dah ni?
I see. The zipper is jammed. I will have to grease it up.
Kejap. Ada apa-apa tak kat tepi ni? Sini macam ada sesuatu. Tempat sembunyi tu biasanya. Rust remover. Aduh lah. Aku dah tak tahu ni. Kejap. Aku nak tengok item yang kita tak selesai lagi. Ada macam pistol. Ada satu lagi oh, banyaknya. Oh, tak. Mungkin blueprint. Okay. Chain cutter. What is that? Ini apa? Okay, aku tak tahu nak ke mana lepas ni. Kita ada mushroom, kita ada rust remover. Rust remover kat mana? Let's get out of here. You know what? Aku akan end video dulu mungkin. Okay. So untuk sekarang aku akan end video dan aku akan cari bantuan. Aku akan cari kat mana aku boleh guna rust remover dan apa yang aku patut buat seterusnya. Sebab memang daripada holiday pertama dan kedua memang aku payah nak selesaikan puzzle dalam game ni. So harap maklum lah, memang aku kena tengok YouTube orang lain main. Lagipun aku main ni lambat. So dah banyak dah pun orang main. Orang pun mungkin dah tahu, tapi aku tak tahu. Okay. So kalau kalian sukakan video ni, jangan lupa klik like, comment, share dan subscribe. Jumpa lagi di video datang. Bye. Assalamualaikum.